In this video, we are discussing enumeration and iterators.
See, at the line number 7, we have defined one string array. The name of the array is word array and containing this set of strings here. We are defining one vector class object, that is a word list, and which is getting populated directly from the content of the word array. So what is the code here? So new vector, and this arrays dot as list, the method name is as list, and which is taking this string array as input, and its content will populate this vector object, that is a word list. And later we have printed this word list. So the word list colon, we are doing the concatenation of this word list, and here is the outcome for it. You can find that the word list is containing, that is the current content of this word list, that is a vector object, is having this one. So book, number, place, lemon, apple and tree. In this way the word list has got the outcome, has produced the output, concatenating its content with this string here. So now here we are having another class, that is the enumeration. This particular class is having one object, that is a vector enum. You can find that this word list, which is nothing but a vector class object, dot elements. So elements is a method with the help of which we can directly populate values to this enumeration object, that is a vector enum. So enumeration iterates through vector. So in this way you can find that this vector object word list dot elements is a method with the help of which we can directly populate or instantiate and the vector enum, that is the enumeration class object. You can find here this particular elements, you can find that it is having the prototype enumeration string. That means it returns this enumeration class object, and this elements is under the class vector under the package java.util. So next one is that how to retrieve elements from this vector enum, that is the enumeration class object. The vector enum dot has more elements. So this is the method we are having. This method returns boolean. That means when it returns true, then the while will be continuing with the iterations. When it will return false, then while loop will terminate. So system.out or println vector enum dot next element. So next element is a respective method which returns the current content, the next element's content of this vector, that is a vector enum object, that is object of enumeration class. So linked list class object is word linked list is equal to new linked list. There is a constructor we are calling, and this linked list will be holding the string objects, and this word linked list dot add all, that is a word list. So word list is nothing but the vector class object, and we are passing this one as input argument to the method, that is the add all. In the previous video also we used this particular method add all here. So all these elements within this vector object, that is the word list, will populate, will instantiate this word linked list, that is the linked list class object. And now we are going to add another two elements here, string objects here, that is a ball and mango, and here we have used the method, that is add. Now whenever you are printing this word linked list here, so now just see the outcome. Now whenever you are printing this the word list, that is a linked list here, linked list class object, we are getting this book, number, place, lemon, apple, tree as usual, and then ball and this mango, which we added at the last two elements. So they are also showing. So actually they are nothing but the string class objects. Now you see iterator, we are defining one iterator object, that is our it, is equal to word linked list dot iterator. So the iterator it will point elements to the linked list. So here we are having this word linked list. Word linked list, you can easily find that this word linked list is nothing but the linked list class object, and dot iterator is a method which I called, and this iterator method is returning iterator class object. So while it dot has next, so in this way you can go for the iteration using this while loop. For each and every looping we can pick up the value from this iterator object it using the method it dot next. So now let me show you the output here. You can find that it is printing book, number, place, lemon, apple, tree, ball and mango as usual. So all these members have got retrieved, string objects have got retrieved with the each and every iteration and looping. within the while, and while will check the condition, that is the it.has next. If it returns true, then it will go for the next iteration, but if has next method returns false, then it will terminate the loop as well. In this way, in this particular demonstration, we have shown you how to define the iterator class objects, linked list class object, enumeration class objects, and so on. So I think the conception is now clear to you.